Hi, James from RC Helicopters and Hobbies. This is a brief description of our battery placement inside our scale helicopters. This is a 600 Hughes and with a 600 HK inside. It's been operated by a FlySky 9-channel radio. Fantastic radio these. Okay. All our helicopters, scale helicopters, have got cooling fans on the ESCs. It's better to be safe than sorry, we believe. It gets quite warm inside the helicopters, inside the scale fuselages, so ESCs do not like to get very hot. So it's always best to have a cooling fan on them. With a cooling fan, we have a plug usually coming out somewhere. It's a large black plug. Inside there's two male prongs. We use a 7.4 volt LiPo, usually around 1000 amp hour. These fans can take up to 12 volts, so if you wish and you want to have a lot more cooling, you can use a 12 volt battery or 11.1 volt battery, but we use a 7.4. It's usually good enough. Make sure your black is black, red is red when you plug it in, and these same plugs, red ones on these batteries, will comfortably fit inside the large black plug, like so, and you can switch your fan on. Simple. And they're usually placed inside the fuselage on the hull with a bit of velcro, like so. The UBC, which gives your helicopter regulated power from another 7.4 volt battery, we use around 1000 amp hour, 7.4. It's got the same plug. It plugs directly into the side there, and it's got a switch on the side of it, of the UBC. We also use velcro and have that sitting down here as well. Just make sure that wire doesn't get anywhere too close to the gears when you're doing it. Okay, and with the radio, switch the power on, make sure the switches are back and up, throttle is down. This is a mode 2, throttle on the left hand side. Then you can go ahead and switch your U back on, which is a little switch on the side, and then after the gyro settles you can then go ahead and test. And as such, when connecting the main battery, 22.2 volt, the 600 size heli, 5000 amp hour battery is perfect. Sits on the front. Actually, we're using the wrong battery there. We need one with velcro on the other side. So velcro, female and male on the battery, vice versa, doesn't really matter. Again, 22.2 volt battery, 5000 amp hour, sits comfortably on there. You don't really have to worry about straps because you're not flying 3D, so the more it vibrates actually the better it fits on. As long as you've got sufficient amount on, it's fine. Again, make sure your throttle's down, plug your negative in first generally, and then positive. It does its beep session, telling you that it's all okay. As long as it continues, doesn't continue to beep, it's ready to start. Gently raise your throttle. Well, fine. First thing you do, disconnect your main battery. Switch your U back off, and then switch your fan off, and then you go ahead and switch your radio off, and basically that's it. Thank you.